Say hello to the great outdoors. When you choose Terrell Camping Center for your camping needs, you won't be sorry. We are Terrell, North Carolina's experts in all of your RV rental needs. We provide top brands such as Jayco, Coachman Brookstone, Crusader, and Palomino. Because we are RV dealers, we have a wide variety of RVs and trailers to fit any lifestyle and budget, including camping trailers, fifth wheel trailers, travel trailers, and lightweight trailers. Down the road, we can also help you with your maintenance and repair needs. We specialize in trailer repair and RV repair with a full-service department and a large in-stock selection of RV parts and trailer parts. Let us help you get on the road today.